In this flow, we'll show how Savant automates the sales tax process from end to end. Savant reads tax rules and invoices, matches records, and calculates tax automatically so teams can move faster and spend less time on manual work. Let's jump into the flow. We start with tax rules by jurisdiction, which typically arrive as PDF documents. Instead of manually reading those files, we prompt the Vision agent to extract exactly what we need, such as the jurisdiction, tax rate, and other required fields. Vision converts those documents directly into a structured table that can be used throughout the workflow. We then apply the same approach to invoices. Invoices often vary by vendor, layout, and format, so we prompt the Vision agent to extract consistent header details and line items from each one. This produces a clean and standardized invoice dataset. Next, we reconcile invoices back to our reporting data. That reporting data comes from Savant's native SAP connector. Because values can be labeled or formatted differently across systems, simple joins are often unreliable. To handle this, we use the Fuse agent. Fuse compares records across datasets and identifies matches the way a human would, even when values are not exact. Each match also includes a confidence score. In this example, lower confidence matches are routed for manual review, while higher confidence matches continue automatically through the workflow. Instead of manually reading documents, matching records, and checking every line, Savant handles the complex work in the background. This allows teams to focus only on the small number of items that actually require attention. Visit savantlabs.io to book a demo and see how Savant helps teams automate sales tax reconciliation end to end.